Hello everyone, today I will introduce two machines to you. Do you think is there any difference between the two machines? Actually, the machine on the left is JDH16. It belongs to a machine that manually tightens the electric hot melt. Hand semi-automatic electric baler. The one on the right belongs to electric tightening and electric hot melting. Electric baler. This baler is suitable for your slightly higher packing needs. For customers who require higher packaging efficiency, because it has a battery capacity of 6,000 mAh. That is relative to JDH16 because it is tightened manually. Slightly slower efficiency. The battery is only 1000 mAh. The number of belts will be relatively less. The two electric balers we see now, both can be made of plastic steel belts and PP belts. The belt width is suitable for 13-16 mm. Tip thickness is suitable for 0.41.2 fathom. Then let me show you a strapping operation of this baler. If you have any questions about the selection of balers, you can contact us.